Hi y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another quick Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for all the goodies. Now, like I've mentioned before, I really was impressed with the Dollar Tree's new LED lights with these cute little, they're just heart shaped and it has this nice pink effect on it, which honestly will turn a cool light, which I have bought. I bought the other one, the alternative that doesn't have this trimming, and it's a little on the stark side. So I prefer this lighting to kind of maybe keep in the bathroom, to just have a light, an extra light around. So I picked up another one of their LED lights, and they're really charming. So remember, they're plug-ins, so for $1.25, still not bad in comparison to most competing brands. Now, I believe I mentioned that last week I picked up NYX's Lux Out Loud liquid lipstick. I tried it out this weekend. I really was impressed. It goes on like a regular lipstick, satin kind of appearance, but it dries into a matte, which I appreciated. And not for nothing, you can add layers to it. So if you have a nice frosty gloss, you can put it on top. So I was so impressed with this particular color, which I didn't necessarily, I don't know necessarily, I'm sorry, it says it here. This is Passionate. And I really like this. Is a nice plum purple. So I came across another color today and I picked this one up. This is Extraordinary, and it's like a lighter purple. But I'm curious how it will look when I layer it with other colors on top, glosses and whatnot. But really nice. And if you can put a nice metallic, color on top, like a gold or a nice silverly shimmer, it's gonna pop. So again, if you have these at your local store, remember NYX products are no longer $1. So if you can get your hands on any NYX products for $1, grab them. So these are new. I came across these Sassy and Chic. This one is a bra converting clips. So I guess if you have like just a regular bra, but you want to wear a nice backless type shirt, and you don't want the straps to show, you can convert it into like a single strap with these clips. So I thought I'd try this out from Sassy and Chic, and I'll definitely let you guys know if this is worth the $1.25. And they have fashion tape, which is, this was new. I didn't see these before. These are new to my branch. 14 pieces. So not bad for $1.25. I thought it honestly looked like it was less than that, but we'll see. We'll give it a try. It says hold your clothing in place. You can see the instructions in the back. If you have also a deep V line, you can use the tape so you're not popping out. So these were really, I think, a good find. For $1.25, remember y'all, that's not bad. Sassy and Chic. Now this too, I found it interesting. This is their Global Beauty Care. It's a collagen facial serum. Minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for all skin types. And there's a 1 ounce bottle. So it comes like in a nice dropper. So I'm gonna give this a try and see if it's worth it. But honestly, just looking at it, this would have easily cost maybe between $10 to $15 at any beauty discount. So not bad. This is a great find for $1.25. Now, I'm not aware if you guys maybe at your local branch, but they have an incredible selection of canned goods, and especially during these tough times of COVID, and sometimes you run out of stuff at your local supermarket, I'll always find a decent can of Healthy Choice. As you can see, it comes with, this is a chicken noodle mix. Sometimes they come with rice, and sometimes they'll come with beef, depending. But yeah, 13 grams protein, and this is 15 ounces. Not bad for $1. I think the food, believe it or not, I think the canned goods are still $1. So there's that. I picked up some Green Giant French style green beans, 14.5 ounces, not bad, and some sliced beets. Can't have enough veggies in your diet, y'all. And especially with the start of this new year, you know, we're all kind of more health conscious. So yeah, you can pick up a nice decent selection of canned goods at your Dollar Tree. Now, because I am trying to scale back, but I don't want to scale it back a whole lot, I still want some decent snacks, and so these are not that bad. So if you're going to cheat, you're not going to cheat so bad. This is their Bauduco, forgive me if I'm butchering that brand name, but it's their wafer cookies and vanilla. No artificial colors or flavors. No high fructose corn syrup. The weight is 5.8 ounces, and yeah, it's always a good treat. Definitely at the Dollar Tree. Now, you know I love to do my reviews and I love my snacks. So, to be tipping more on the healthier side, I love their Twizzlers. It's not bad. You get a good handful of them, and it's only 90 calories, so you can't go wrong with a nice pack of Twizzlers. Now, moving into the movie department. Not so healthy, but, you know, again, a little handful of it can't hurt. And this is by their Oot Slime popcorn with I'm sure movie going butter or to mimic the movie popcorn experience. So this have a nice butter taste. It says $1.99, but I could have sworn they charged me $1, but I'll look at my receipt again. But as you can see, 13 grams of whole grains per serving, and it's gluten-free, so can't go wrong for a nice package of popcorn. Now I picked up a couple of more washcloths, which are always good and handy. Like I've mentioned on my channel before, I like darker colors so that if you get, you know, they get too dirty, you can toss them, and these are perfect because these are black, so you really can't tell much of a difference. You could just also drop them in the washing machine and they're good to go. Just the fact that they were for $1.25, not bad. My aluminum foil of 40 square feet. You always need stuff like this, especially when you're cooking and you have leftovers. This is a perfect find, especially you know, around the winter holidays, because you never know. You don't know if you're having a nice dinner party and you need to wrap up your stuff, or even better, if you're doing anything in the oven. This is a great find for $1.25. Now, I'm really happy that this came kind of like the hot glue gun, and I've mentioned all of you who really do watch my videos, and thank you for the support. I came across this really great DIY by Sarah Jane, I believe is her name, Chic on the Cheap, and she had this really nice project that she was able to put together between a basket and one of these planter trolleys. And I love them because they have these really cute wheels, and so in putting stuff on top, you can kind of like, they just become more mobile and more accessible. So I picked up two. Of course you can use them for whatever you want, but I liked her DIY, and I will try it and I'll let you guys know. It kind of looked like something like this. She used one of these nice baskets, and then she kind of like glued stick, and I'll link it down in the description box below, but then it just made things more mobile. So when I saw it on her channel, I said, when I see these, I'm gonna buy a number, and I bought two. Not bad for $1.25 a piece. And lastly, I came across these really cute bowls. Again, I'm a big leftovers kind of gal, and I have a set of these containers, but they're a lot on the slender side for like cereals and rice. And I came across this. I said I need to grab one of these because there's tons of leftovers sometimes, and you just run out of, you know, a tidy way of storing your food in the fridge where it's not over bombarding your fridge. Now you want to put in new food and whatnot. So this was a great option. Also, even if you're traveling or you're staying over and at someone's house and they have a reception, you want to bring leftovers home, this is ideal. Why? This is by their Sure Fresh clip lock closure. So like you read in the label, it has a clip lock lid. So look at this, and it has that nice snap that lets you know, okay, they mean business here. See this? It really cinches to basically nothing will kind of like fall or slip or drip. I love that. So again, that was a really great find. I picked up two, $1.25 a piece. You know this would, you know, at any Target, Walmart, that's going to run you between $8 to $10 per bowl. So that was a really great find. So that's it, y'all, for now. I will keep you updated with trying some of these products out, and I'll let you know if it's definitely worth the $1.25. And I'll also keep you updated with my DIY projects. If you like what you see, give us a like, leave us a comment down below. If you like my videos, you can hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next video. And until my next haul, my next DIY, my next review, till next time, y'all. XOXO, Nerdy Girl.